Everything in our course is simple. There's two real simple rules. One is we don't double. You don't, if you're singing a melody up here or if you're playing a melody, this guy down here doesn't land on your note or the octave of your note. The other deal is that you do not write any 13s. A 13 means 13 chromatics. It's C to D flat. You don't write those. There's some cases you can write them, and I'll tell you that, but do you have any idea why you wouldn't be able to write that and have it sound good? John, do you have any idea? Okay. Because that interval is the only one that doesn't occur in the overtone series in nature with between two consecutive notes. The overtone series starts with an octave and gets progressively smaller the higher you get. So when you write that interval in two lines, and there's a 13, which is basically an octave and one chromatic, when that happens, you're going to hear it as a mistake. The only time that sound really sounds good is when you put dominance underneath it. And that's part of one of the lessons. If you put a 3 and a -7 underneath those guys, you can have that. It becomes a flat 9 chord if you want to think of it vertically. But when you're writing lines, you're only writing lines, you're not thinking about chords. So you want to avoid that interval and you want to avoid doubling. Now that becomes quite challenging if you're writing plain song. Larry, have you gotten to the 4 parts yet?
No.
Or you're okay, but you're
3.
yeah, you're getting close. You're getting to where it's going to be challenging. So what happens is that you're in a mode, right? Modes only have 7 notes, and you're writing 4 parts, and they're all going, and you can't double. All right, so, and you're not thinking in terms of chords, that each line was written separately. What happens is that you get this feeling of the mode now, and everybody's singing a line, so every part has energy in it, because they're not just filling a harmonic slot. It's all horizontal. And so that's what happens, and that's what this first part of the course is.